guys, and welcome to my backyard. Today I was feeling a little creative and wanting to get outside because it's really nice outside. So I went to Home Depot and I bought all of these flowers and we are going to plant them in my backyard. But we're not going to do this the normal way. We're going to use my drill and auger bit. So we're doing some planting with power tools. It's going to be fun and probably going to make it a lot easier. I'm also going to be installing a drip system. So I'll just show you guys that, tell you a little bit about it, but I'm excited and I want to plant all these beautiful babies, so let's get planting. Thank you guys so much for being here. I have so much fun creating content for you guys, so if you enjoy woodworking, DIY, or even the outdoors and travel, feel free to hit that subscribe button and like and share this video with someone you think would like it too. So thank you so much, and I appreciate you so much. Let's get back to our program. Here comes the hardest part, picking your flowers. I definitely tried to get a variety of colors and types of flowers. So first I gotta lay them out and figure out where each of them are gonna go and how I'm going to give it, I don't know, a lot of variety. I laid all my flowers out the way I thought I'd like them, and then I started digging and I realized some of my concrete retaining walls were so shallow in the dirt that I couldn't dig the holes, so I had to rearrange them, which is a little bit annoying, but I think it just all adds to the fun. I really wanted to get bright flowers so I can attract lots of butterflies, honeybees, and hummingbirds. I love seeing the bugs and the animals come back into the yard after winter. That took me a little bit longer than I'd like to admit, because I kept rearranging them and starting over. But now I'm just going to evenly space them so they don't look silly. And then we're going to pull out the power tools. Excellent. So I couldn't plant everything in one day. So we're back and we're going to be doing more planting. I got a few in here, added some color, and a few over on the other side of my yard. So we're gonna do the whole back wall, and I'm gonna do the drip system today. That's gonna be fun and muddy. The ducks. Okay, I ran into a bit of a problem. I didn't think about this, but my retaining wall is in the way. So I dug down into the retaining wall, but these blocks are very short. So looks like we're gonna be doing some rearranging again. We're gonna figure it out. I just love springtime, and the best part is splashing color all over my yard with flowers. This year I'm focused on finding perennials that will come back each year. This bit for my drill makes it so easy to dig my holes. I picked it up at Home Depot for I think about 15 bucks, but I highly recommend grabbing one of these. I make sure to turn my drill to the lowest speed so it doesn't jerk my hand if it gets caught on a rock, but definitely go get one of these. They are well worth it. here we have it. We're finishing up these ones. were a little more difficult because of the gravel, but they look great. So perfect. Well, I think these look so beautiful and I'm so happy to have all these flowers in my garden now, and the drip system is gonna make it so much easier to water all of these. I'm not gonna spend all night watering them, walking around the yard. But thank you guys so much for joining me to garden today and plant all these beautiful flowers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have any garden tips for me, any gardening requests, or you just want to see the fun content, hit me up in the DMs. And until then, happy gardening!